Hey guys, welcome back to Code Convent. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install Java Development Kit on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started. So first, we will open any of the browser. So I have opened Google Chrome, and here I will just type download Java, then I will hit the enter key. So the second link from www.oracle.com. It is our official website. We will click on Java downloads. So guys, here you can see Java 21 and Java 17 available. So we will going to download and install the latest version of Java JDK 21. So we will scroll down on this page as we are installing for the Linux. So we will going to download this x64 Debian package. So you must need to click here. I have already clicked, I have already downloaded. So what I will do, I will going to open my files. So I will going to open the files and I will go to the download. So I have already downloaded this JDK 21. So what I will do, I will just going to click here on this three dot buttons. Then I will just click on this open in terminal. So first I will try to list all the available files and the folders in this directory. I'm going to write ls. As you can see, we have this Debian package also, is JDK 21. So for installing this Debian package, I'm going to write the command sudo dpkg space -i, then space, then JDK. Then I will press the tab key of my keyboard for auto completion. Then I will hit the enter key. It is asking for password. Okay. So guys, it will take some few seconds for installing JDK 21. After this, what we will do, we will going to do the cross check by using one command for checking which version is installed. So I think it is already completed now. Then what we will do, we will write Java space --- version. Then I will hit the enter key. So guys, as you can see, we have the Java 21 installed on this Ubuntu based computer. So it is installed. So one more important thing we have to do, we have to set the Java home. So what is Java home and why it is important? I will tell you. So basically, some application requires Java home to be set on your Ubuntu operating system. Basically, Java home is environment variable. So we can set Java home. So for setting Java home, we must need to write some command, that is sudo, then space, then gedit. Then we need to give space /etc and en. I will hit the enter key. So it will going to open the default text editor which is available in Ubuntu, and here we need to set the Java home. I will go to the second line and I will write Java _home all in capital equals to double quotes. Inside this double quotes, we need to give the exact path of our JDK. So for checking exact path, or what we can do, we can just go here and we can write here ls space. After that, we need to give it is inside user and lib jvm. Then I will hit the enter key. Okay, so it is our JDK. So I will copy this. Okay, I will write ls user lib jvm. Then I will hit this. Okay, so what is the issue here? Okay, so what we did, we have not copied it properly. No worry, guys. We will write ls user lib jvm. This time we will copy it properly. Copy, paste, enter key. So guys, we must need to copy this path from the user. Here I will copy. So after copying this, what we need to do, we must need to go back to the text editor. Here I'm going to paste it. So we have already pasted. Okay, and we must need to click on the save button and then we can close this text editor. So guys, then after saving the file, okay, we have to write a command. Command is rc source, then space, then etc, then ment environment. Then we will hit the enter key. So let me tell you why we have given this command, because we have to update the base RC. Okay, so we can give one more command. Go $java underscore home. Then we will hit the enter key. So it is the path we have given. Okay, so what we did in this tutorial, basically we have installed, okay, the latest version of JDK, and what we did, we have set it the Java home. So we have already cross-checked for which is the which version we have installed on our Ubuntu based operating Ubuntu based machine. So that's it, guys, for this video. If you like this video, do like, comment, subscribe my channel. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.